Welcome to Kenya, where a tapestry of industries thrives amidst breathtaking landscapes and bustling cities. But with diversity comes unique challenges. Enter EDDY Pump, the solution to Kenya's pumping and dredging needs. In the heart of Kenya's economic engine, EDDY Pump offers cutting-edge slurry pumps and dredging equipment tailored to elevate crucial sectors like plastics, textiles, and ship repair. Explore our range of transformative solutions to tackle Kenya's industrial challenges head-on. From managing sedimentation in coastal ship repair to optimizing material transfer in pharmaceuticals, EDDY Pump's innovative technologies ensure operational excellence across diverse sectors. Let's delve into the tailored solutions offered by EDDY Pump, designed to meet Kenya's unique industrial landscape. Whether it's ensuring precision in pharmaceutical production or efficiency in plastics manufacturing, EDDY Pump provides the tools for success. With locations in Nairobi, Mombasa, and Thika, EDDY Pump stands ready to meet Kenya's industrial needs. Choose EDDY Pump for transformative pump and dredge equipment solutions in Kenya. Invest in Kenya's future with EDDY Pump. Your industry's success starts here. EDDY Pump. We pump solids, not water.